I've got all the water onto the home. And we have no other leaks, no movement at this water meter at this time. I have told the customer, which shortly you'll see the meter is going to move because I let them know they could flush the toilets. They've been waiting on it. Pipes are in terrible condition here. I couldn't clamp it. Couldn't stop the leak, couldn't stop the air from coming out of the pinhole leak when I was trying to stop it. So I had to cut the pipe apart, move the pipe. Very dangerous, could cause another leak right away. The customer wants to leave the hole exposed. He's going to have a repipe being done in a few weeks. He's just waiting on availability from the company he chose. Right now, I just want to show that we got rid of that leak and there are no other leaks this moment. Doesn't mean another one won't pop up, as I just explained to the customer. I gave him the copper pipe warning sheet you'll see on the kitchen counter for him to read before I cut this pipe, warning him I make no kind of guarantees, incur no liability. It can leak, including to where I connected to it. It's some bad inferior piping. And they should be worried and nervous about it, as they said they are. So, other than them filling the toilet, we have no leaks right now. I'll go in there and show you what I did. Show you those. Now this is a leak that sealed itself last week. You can see a little section of PEX pipe right down here. That's how I repaired it. See, there's no leaks. Let me turn this light on. I had to reach that leak, so I fixed it the best way I could. Not that I like them fittings that I had to use. I like the PEX fitting, not them necessarily, but you got to reach way underneath here. I was dead on with the location of it. We run that water. We're just going to clean this up and be done for them. They're still drying this place up. They're going to leave that open until they repipe, like I said. And they got to wait on that. I warned them about the copper pipe warning. They know about it. That's why they're waiting for the repipe. But like I said, all of our water's on at this time. Meter's not moving. No other leaks at this time. They're going to leave that open as a precaution.